వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మీలితం येन తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. ద నెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్. టెక్స్ట్ 2. నానాశాస్త్ర విచారణైక నిపుణౌ సద్ధర్మ సంస్థాపకౌ లోకానాం హితకారిణౌ త్రిభువనే మాన్యౌ శరణ్యాకరౌ రాధాకృష్ణ పదారవింద భజనా ఆనందేన మత్తాలికౌ వందే రూప సనాతనౌ రఘుయుగౌ శ్రీజీవ గోపాలకౌ. So bhaktas, that means the application of this principle be at a deeper level. Then what is for varnashrama followers? We can't at the same level, although it may begin there, it must be at a deeper level. Then we become stronger devotee. But jnani's renunciation and celibacy, maintaining mental balance, equanimity, sense control, these are prescribed and fruitive work for devotees cultivating the relationship with the Supreme Lord as prescribed. The principles of Jnana Yoga are also prescribed. One should take them because for sadhana bhakti, because it helps you for cultivating bhakti, and it is obedient to hate anyone. These are the principles one has to accept in bhakti. Even within bhaktas there are 3 different levels: those who are Kanishtadhikaris, those who are Madhyamadhikaris, those who are Uttamadhikaris. Kanishtadhikaris, what is the rule for them? Cultivating faith, Shraddha. Anything that damages their faith, they should avoid. This is for Kanishtadhikaris. Anything that is helpful for faith, they should accept. So regulated life is pre-represent. Unregulated, your faith is waver like anything. It is like a pendulum. So become regulated and engage in bhajana kriya activity with enthusiasm, utsaha. Shravanam kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pasayanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atma Nivedanam. These are here. Accept guidance from one person, not from 20 persons. When you accept guidance from 20 persons, each person will, even if they were all transcendentalists, if you go to ask 3 doctors about my problem, you will get 300 problems. None of them will come forward. I avoid doctors as much as possible. Even nothing is wrong, they find something is wrong in you. Otherwise, how can I make money? Like that means automatic. If you go to auto mechanic, it will tell 20 things wrong. Suspension is wrong, steering is loose, alignment is very bad, brakes are little tricky. He will give you 20 problems about your car. So you must work under the guidance of some persons, and first of all you take general training. Don't go for immediately for one person to guide me. First you accept general principles: rising early, chanting in a regulated way, the general principles of bhakti yoga you have to adapt. That can you do by accepting guidance from Srila Prabhupada books and from some exalted persons, general guidance, accepting a person as monitor your progress, prematurely accepting a person for that of close guidance is not also very good, because you may not be able to do that. You need to first of all get situated in general principles of Krishna consciousness. Very quickly, if you say you don't have who is inspiring without some cultivation of at least some satoguna, what will inspire in rajoguna? Someone who is leading in kirtan, jump in kirtan, oh, ecstatic kirtan. What will inspire in tamoguna? Is vyodamam prabhajyate, bro, vyodamam prabhajyate. Unless you somewhat is situated in satoguna. Just not guidance in single person is not appropriate. It will not work. That does not mean that you go everywhere and tried a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. That's not the point. You still need some exalted person guiding your life. You won't guide in all details. These are all little bit of general principles. How to hear, how to chant, how to regulate your life. These types of things, so that you can elevate your consciousness to a higher level to accept, especially guidance. Otherwise your faith will get damaged. That is the point. This is a very, very beautiful process. We apply properly. So that is first level. Those who are perfect in the Majjhimadhikari stage, they should not be always worried about these regulations. Kanishtadhikari should be worried about regulations. For Majjhimadhikari, more important regulations. That does not mean that he is not regulated. He is always regulated. Sometimes he breaks regulations for extending compassion to others. That's why Srila Prabhupada conducted preaching, talking and taking so many troubles for others' advancement. A Kanishtadhikari also should take some troubles for others. But primary guiding principle is not that. Primary guiding principle is regulate your life, not at the cost of your own sadhana. You don't spoil your own sadhana. You don't give any damage to your own sadhana. Not at the cost of your own sadhana. Sometimes that happens. Next day you wake up at 8 o'clock chanting the rounds at the middle of the day. Because the Kanishtadhikari thinks somehow or today guide me the pure devotee. Whereas the Majjhimadhikari knows that it does not like that. Somehow the Kanishtadhikari thinks like that. If I leave my house, whereas the Majjhimadhikari, he knows that regulation is more important, to show compassion in an accepting trouble for the sake of others. Anyway, trouble will come. An Uttamadhikari, for him, there is actually no rules. There are only two rules. One is to develop the pure love for Krishna and completely avoid the enmity towards all living entities. These are the two rules only for Uttamadhikari. To keep this in mind. One is to develop the pure love for Krishna and completely avoid the enmity towards all living entities. To never think of anyone as his enemy at any level, at any situation. To not have envious feelings towards any living entity. This is a Niyamagraha. Anybody has any comments or any questions? Please type in comments or directly ask me in the phone. Then I will answer to your doubts or questions or comments. I stop here. I will continue in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे